I am extremely concerned for the human race. Humans have decided that we are not like any other animal on the planet that has been born to feed itself. Why would the person that created this world, why would they give every other animal the tools for the job? So they gave a lion sharp claws, sharp teeth, and a temperament to want to go kill someone and eat them. They gave elephants a big long trunk so that they could get plants from the trees and be the strongest animal in the world and not want to go kill any other animals. They gave the oldest animal in the world, a tortoise, the right implement, the right tools, the right mouth, the right temperament to eat plants to survive. We were born with the right tools to eat. We were born with teeth to chew, not to rip apart and kill. We were born with these teeth to chew. We were given hands that with no claws, no thick claws, because we don't need to kill to eat. We were born with a long intestine, just like all the other herbivores. We were born with the right body, the right physiology to eat and drink. Yet humans have decided we must be inferior to every other living being on the planet because we have to invent forks, knives, ropes, fire to eat animals. This is crazy. It is utter insanity that humans have gone to the extent of even killing animals behind closed doors so humans can't see it and have this one step removed, because the people that are making money out of us selling the meat to us, the dead flesh and the secretions, they know that if we saw what goes on, just the way a lion it sees, shows its children, that teaches the children how to kill, doesn't keep it away from the children. But with humans, we're keeping the slaughter away from not only children, but adults as well, because our temperament isn't that to go hurting other beings. That's why we've got a court system for murder, for manslaughter, for GBH, because our temperament, okay, we get angry, but it's not a temperament that wants to go kill. I've never seen a pig and gone, I want to kill that pig with my hands and my teeth like a lion would. I've never seen a chicken and want to break its neck with my hands and eat it. And even if I did eat the chicken, I would get salmonella because I hadn't cooked it. This is a wake-up call, a wake-up call. And the scary thing is I've been eating meat most of my life because I've been brainwashed as well. But thankfully, I had an awakening after studying this for 6 years. I had an awakening in July 2022 when it was like suddenly the red pill I ate and I saw the truth. And I had an awakening for really what was going on. And I think very differently now. We are not inferior. We have everything we need. When I see a strawberry, I want to pick it and eat it. When I see a blackberry or a black bramble when I'm walking, I want to pick it and eat it. When I see a chicken or a turkey or a bird in the woods, I don't want to go eat it. Don't let people take you for a fool. It's rethink time.